It is maintained in the item record and called the primary pick slot as shown here. The other data elements maintained in the item record specific to warehouse management are selling unit cases, case length, case height, case width, case tie, which is the number of cases stored in a pallet layer, case high, which is the number of layers stored in a pallet, pallet height, pallet weight, pallet letdown point, the number of cases to trigger a pallet letdown, which we will discuss later, bin X and bin Y warehouse locations. Also notice how the system calculated the number of pallets based on the number of cases entered. The number of pallets was derived by dividing the total number of cases ordered by the product resulting from multiplying the cases per tie by the cases per high. Simply post the document after entering the line items. A posting report is displayed for printing. After posting, put-away schedules can be produced that report suggested bin locations for storing the inbound pallets. These schedules are obtained by either selecting the document level put-away window or the item level put-away window. For the purposes of this demonstration, the document level put-away window is used. To generate a put-away schedule, first select the button titled Create Put-Away Schedule. The system fills the lower scrolling window with suggested bin locations for the inbound inventory. From this window, you can print put-away schedules and barcoded labels for the pallets. The barcoded labels contain the following information: primary pick slot, receipt date, item number, lot number, slot bin location, item description, product expiration date, UPC code, number of cases. Posting the inventory putaways completes the inbound shipping process. There is also a posting report that accompanies this task. Let's take a moment to view the inventory in the Virtual Warehouse Management System. There are several ways to view the data. We'll look at 3 of them: through the bin control table, through the 3-dimensional interactive virtual warehouse view, through the warehouse floor plan. The bin control table is a central feature of the Virtual Warehouse Management System. A record of the profile of every bin in the warehouse is stored in this table. The bin numbers are listed in the first column of the table. The remaining columns contain the following information on the slots in the bins: a check mark to indicate whether the bin is active or inactive, the height of the slot, the item number currently stored in the slot. This field is blank if no item is currently stored in the slot. The total number of cases stored in the slot, the total number of cases allocated for outbound shipments or bin slot transferred. An expansion control button expands the records in the scroll window to show the contents of both the front bins and the back bins when your warehouse is configured for double deep bins. The bin numbers are also hyperlinks to a second window that shows a different view of the detail for the selected bin. Notice how information is displayed for both front slots and back slots. This second window also contains a hyperlink to a 3-dimensional interactive view of the section of the warehouse where the bin is located. Inventory and surrounding bins on both sides of the aisle are shown. Active bins are color-coded in bright red. This is the second view of the data. Note that the bins and pallets are vertically accurate to scale. This interactive virtual 3-dimensional feature enables you to view a section of the warehouse from all angles.